This is how we can program a variable flap with only one switch. The function will be when you're in mid-stick cruising and the switch is not on. Example, everything is in normal mode. Okay, left, right, yeah, everything. And when I switch, if I use this rudder switch, for example, just a demonstration, the flaps will activate only when you go below mid-stick. For example, from mid-stick up, flaps will not activate. Okay, so when I move the stick down, see the flaps in channel 8, it also moves. So when you decrease the throttle way back down, it increases the flaps to whatever value you want. And then when you push it again up to mid-stick, the flaps is gone, and going higher above mid-stick, no flaps. And in this mix, I also mix some elevator. Look at channel 2. As I pull it down, there is a certain amount of elevator. That will depend on the model, if it needs it. So if you need it, you have to set the curves that your model requires. Okay, let's check the mix. In the mix, I have two mixes, one in channel 2 elevator and one in channel 8. So let's look at channel 8 first. This is what I did. Edit. The source will be throttle. That would be throttle stick. It depends, no? What way the servos will move. So I'll use 100% for weight, and the curve is x less than 0, meaning everything from mid-stick to 0 throttle will activate this channel 8 flaps. Okay, next mix, I have one hand. Channel 2. Okay, channel 2, I inserted the mix. Let's edit. Now, for the elevator, if it needs it, set the source to channel 8, so other than 0, it will have a value. As the flaps go down, it will have a value. Then weight is 100. It depends on your mix. If you push it down and it goes down, the elevator goes down, just reverse the weight. And we have here a curve, because the elevator is not equal to the flaps. It needs a certain amount. All of this 0, 0, 0 is over here. For example, 0 is mid-stick. When it's in mid-stick, it's 0, so it's whatever your elevator stick is. Then the next number, you can set it. 50% of the flaps will be this value, and then the full actuation of the flaps will be the first value, meaning full negative, that will be the value. So you have to fly it to see if that is the right mix of the elevator. Okay, let's exit and see the mix. This is just an example, okay? When the switch is off, the one that I made master, Everything is normal. No flaps, no nothing. And when I turn the switch on, it activates the flaps. And the flaps depends on the amount of stick input. From mid stick, that is 0, there's no flaps. Going down, 25% down, that's 50% of the flaps. And there's a mix of elevator. Then more engine cap, more flaps and elevator. It has to fly level. When you use flaps, this is only for air brake. Okay, I hope you like it.